Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Okey Bakassi, the comedian, has taken Kenneth Okonkwo to task by asking him that he's not in a good position to tell Peter Obi how to play his politics. Recall that Kenneth Okonkwo, who was one of the spokespersons of Peter Obi Presidential Campaign Council, said that he has left Peter Obi because Peter Obi is weak, that's not strong enough to defend the mandate that was given to him in 2023, and that supporting him means that there is no guarantee that he would defend another mandate given to him in 2027. And Okey Bakassi, in a recent interview, said that Kenneth Okonkwo was not in a position to tell Peter Obi on how to play his politics and on how to defend his mandate. And he took note of the fact that Peter Obi has won 2 elections. And in fact, Peter Obi was the first governor in Anambra State to win re-election in the history of that state. And that Peter Obi has gone through several trials in politics. Remember, Peter Obi, his tenure was not over when they conducted another election to remove him from office. He went to a court, Supreme Court reinstated him, which was the reason why there is staggered election in Nigeria today. Remember that he was also impeached. He went to Supreme Court and Supreme Court reinstated him. So he's a man who knows how to defend a mandate. If you are looking for anybody who knows how to defend a mandate, look no further than Peter Obi. But as far as Kenneth Okonkwo is concerned, Peter Obi failed to defend his mandate. In his reply to Okey Bakassi, Kenneth Okonkwo was saying that they voted for Peter Obi, and that was asking where was Okey Bakassi when they were on the sat for vote for Labour Party, and that the vote they got, which was not defended, which was not defended. I found it very funny because Kenneth Okonkwo himself is a lawyer, and if my memory serves me right, he was one of the lawyers that were going to court as part of the legal team of Peter Obi. For him to say that the mandate was not defended, I don't know what he expected Peter Obi to do, because Peter Obi took that matter to the Supreme Court. That's the highest place Peter Obi could have taken it. After that, he has to take it only to God. What else does he want Peter Obi to do to defend the mandate? That was at the bone of contention. If somebody took a matter up to the Supreme Court and you are saying the person doesn't defend the vote, what kind of defense does Kenneth Okonkwo want Peter Obi to do? To go on guerrilla warfare or what? To call out the children of the masses to pour to the streets and be mowed down by the security agencies or what? The man went to the Supreme Court. That is the highest you can go. After that, you have to complain to God. So Okey Bakassi reminded him of the political trajectory of Peter Obi. That Peter Obi cannot be said that you can't say that Peter Obi is weak if you look at his political journey. But Kenneth Okonkwo felt offended. He said that because Bakassi said that Kenneth Okonkwo has never contested, has never won any election, so he is not in a position to tell Peter Obi how to run his political life. And Kenneth Okonkwo, in his reaction, took offense, saying all kinds of things about whether Okey Bakassi has ever been the main actor in a movie that was successful. Those things are immaterial. Those design material to the question that Okey Bakassi was posing. It's not about, it's talk about the fact that you are talking about Peter Obi, that he's weak, he can't defend mandate, when you have never contested the election. To that, Okonkwo said that he has never contested an election before. So that he has never contested. He admitted that he has never contested an election before. That he had always seen he was on the verge of contesting in the primaries. He discovered the corruption and he withdrew. Then how are you in a position to call Peter Obi weak? Because that is where you're supposed to show your gallant. Which now begs the question: who is the man of integrity that Kenneth Okonkwo said that he's ready to work for? Because he said that Peter Obi, he admitted that Peter Obi is a man of integrity. His problem was that Peter Obi is too weak to defend a vote for him. Any vote for Peter Obi, you can't guarantee, according to him, that he can defend it. That's why I'm looking at Kenneth Okonkwo, waiting for him to tell Nigerians, who is that person in Nigeria of today that has integrity, that can defend the vote? Because Kenneth Okonkwo has not yet defined to Nigerians what it means to defend the vote. Because to defend the vote, as far as we are concerned in Nigeria, is to take the legal process, to go to the election petition tribunal, all the way to the Supreme Court in case of the presidency. This is the route that Peter Obi took. He's yet to define to Nigerians what it means to defend the vote in Nigeria. But we're also waiting for him to tell us that person he will support in 2027. Since Peter Obi has integrity but he can't defend the vote, that person that meets the two criteria he set, that he is looking for somebody who is a man of integrity and who can defend the vote when given to the person. I think that's the thing that Nigerians should begin to ask him. Who is that man of integrity that has capacity to defend votes better than Peter Obi in 2027? Is it President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that many people are believing that one way or the other, Kenneth Okonkwo may return back to APC? Is it Atiku Abubakar? Who is it in Nigeria today that has the combination of man of integrity and then have capacity to defend vote beyond what Peter Obi has done? Who will be ready that after the election, if the election is rigged and another presidential candidate is announced as the winner of the election, that person will march to the radio house in Abuja or go to NTA and declare himself that he is the winner, he is now the president, like Abiola did, and pay the price for that rascality. So who is that person? That's what the question Nigerians should be asking Kenneth Okonkwo, to tell us who he has identified, or is he still searching for them? Is he still in a search for such a candidate? Is he still in a search for it? Because we would like to know this person that has integrity, that has the capacity to protect votes better than Peter Obi. That is the question that should be posed to Kenneth Okonkwo. And thank God for Okey Bakassi for telling him the gospel truth. This truth we have been saying in our small corners, that you cannot say that Peter Obi is a weak person because he has his voice is not as strong. You know, he's not somebody who make noises. That's not a sign of being weak. He pursued this matter, the presidential matter, up to the level the Constitution allows him to do. Anything outside what Peter Obi did would be extra-constitutional. So it is surprising that one of the lawyers of Peter Obi, who went to court to defend his mandate, is now telling Nigerians that Peter Obi didn't defend the vote. Unless there are some other things he know about the legal process that Peter Obi didn't do. Is it that Peter Obi didn't bribe the judges, or that he didn't bribe those who are supposed to give him better judgment? What is it that he didn't do? Because as far as I can see, he had some of the best lawyers to pursue his matter in the court, and the Supreme Court gave their ruling. So what is it that Kenneth Okonkwo want? Who is this? You want to see this elusive man? If he cannot reveal that such a man, he's just better stop talking about this matter. He is not the first person to leave a major campaign or to leave a presidential candidate. Yes, he's not the first. Daniel Buwala was a spokesperson of Atiku Abubakar. When he discovered that his bread is not buttered there, he moved back to APC, and is now one of the spokespersons, even if unofficial, for the Tinubu administration. He didn't have to drag Atiku Abubakar down. He didn't have to pull the house down. Why does Kenneth Okonkwo want to pull the roof down before going? Nobody's against him leaving. There's always people to take the spaces of anybody who want to leave a campaign. He ought to have quietly left, like Daniel Buwala. Daniel Buwala has never been known to explain why he left Atiku Abubakar. Reno Omokri has not told anyone why he dumped Atiku Abubakar and is now the cheerleader of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Why is Kenneth Okonkwo's own different? And he was doubling down in attacking Okey Bakassi. The reason why people are being respectful to Okonkwo is because Peter Obi just said people should allow sleeping dog to lie. That's why people are being respectful to him. And by now he must have known it, that he has lost a lot of followers. He has lost a lot of whatever goodwill he has with the Nigerian populace. He has lost it. He should know it by now. He should know it. He has lost a lot of goodwill. Why did he lose it? Because he wanted to drag Peter Obi down as he was going out. He ought to have gone out and allowed Peter Obi to be. Perhaps he wants to ingratiate himself to those who want him to move to their side. Pull down Peter Obi first before you come over. That's not right. I had expected him to behave even better than Reno Omokri and Daniel Buwala. Or to have quietly kept quiet. He has gone quietly. He would have gone quietly and take his mandate wherever he wants to take it to next time. After all, the election is still 3 years away, the next election. So what's all this pain chant for people to drag Peter Obi, even those who claim to support him in the last election? That's my take on this matter. And Okey Bakassi, you did well by telling the truth. Of course, the uncomfortable truth made Okonkwo very uncomfortable, that he had to double down. But the truth is always bitter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And you see some books I have here. These books, you can type the title of the book and my name as the author, and it will take you to Amazon, where you can get all these books. They are available in soft copy, that's ebook, paperback, and hardcover. Amazon is number one when it comes to print on demand. If you order any of these books, they will bring it to your doorstep, anywhere you are in Nigeria or around the world. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.